Dearest brothers and sisters, we're coming to you from the heart of Berkeley, and we're going to be making today a very special hummus. And it's special because it's alive, it's raw, and it's filled with vitality. And we're going to begin with sprouted chickpeas, garbanzo beans, if you will. And as you see, I've germinated them. I've sprouted them. I soaked them overnight, and then for 2 or 3 days, I've rinsed them morning and night. And as you see, they are starting to germinate, sprout. All the other recipes on YouTube or whatever, they're always using canned garbanzo beans that have been cooked, that are coming out of a tin can, and that is not us by any means. So we will begin by putting the garbanzo beans, or chickpeas if you will, in our processor. Yeah. And now the next essential ingredient is tahini, sesame butter, one of our most popular items, I might mention. So we'll put some tahini with that. And now, since this is going to be no ordinary hummus, but an avocado hummus, these are some beautiful California avocados grown in the Great Central Valley, but of course. So I'm using 2 avocados. And then some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And how about some cloves of garlic, but of course for hummus, absolutely essential. Here's a peeled lemon, essential. And what about some sweet peppers? What do you say to sweet peppers? We'll put some sweet peppers. We'll add some sweet pepper. This is a sweet red pepper. Beautiful greenish golden color. And let's be a bit creative indeed with our sweet red peppers. So here, dearest friends, we have an alive, organic hummus, and avocado hummus, featuring California avocados, garbanzo beans grown right here in California, but of course, it is a magnificent greenish gold color. It is filled with life forces, no cooked, but of course, organic and streaming and flowing. That's what Living Tree Community is all about, and it features our magnificent sesame tahini. We're so proud to offer this. This is one of our most popular products. The almond butter is first, but tahini is second. After that, walnut butter and cashew butter. So, my privilege to share. We want to hear from you. We want to hear your comments and criticisms. You may even hit the subscribe button down below and even give us a like. In these times, it behooves us to go forward, brothers and sisters, to stand up and be counted, to speak our piece, and to affirm vitality and aliveness. My privilege to share. Thank you indeed, my dearest friends.